So we're back. So I got this Acer laptop from a customer that doesn't power on, no sign of power supply. The system is completely dead. He said he got the system just 2 days ago, and it stopped working all of a sudden. So I said, let me open and check what could be the problem, since there is not even any sign of power supply on the system. And we started by losing the bolts from this from the casing and everything. So we've opened the system, we'll check. Let's see the power supply. It looks okay. The power supply seems to be fine, and there's no any sign of damage or hotness from anywhere, and there's still no power coming out. And so we have to check if the the board might be having any other sign of damage elsewhere, though. But everything seems to be okay. So let's try to run a BIOS program on it. So that is the BIOS chip that we need to reprogram with our BIOS programmer, and put a new file to see that this system comes back to life. So after returning back the BIOS, it looks like the system came back and it's okay. So here we power up the system to see if it will come up, and here we go. So all this time it was BIOS that crashed, so we had to reprogram it.